Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Algorand price prediction and Algorand news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Algorand in 2022. Algorand is a blockchain-based self-sustaining decentralized network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, with all the critical features required for real-world application performance. Algorand supports calculations that require strong performance guarantees to create new forms of trusts. The main network, mainnet Algorand, was launched in June 2019, and as of December 2020, could process almost 1 million transactions per day. Who created Algorand? Silvio Macaulay is a professor of computer science at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the founder of Algorand. He received the Turing Award in 2012 for fundamental contributions to the theory and practice of secure two-way computing, electronic money, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain protocols. Thus, he is one of the first creators of cryptocurrency in the world. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Algorand. Algorand, Ethereum Classic, a SHA Infinity Price Analysis. 02 March. Although Algorand saw impressive gains from its February lows, it walked on thin ice. A sustained close below its pattern could brace the alt for a 79-cent retest. Further, Ethereum Classic witnessed a bullish flip on its EMA ribbons. Their bulls now had to defend the 20 EMA to prevent a fallout. Also, a SHA Infinity managed to rise above its SMAs, while its RSI reversed from the overbought mark. Oki starred Algorand, Algo, after struggling to topple the $1.8 resistance. The bulls lost their thrust after the heightened sell-offs over the last 2 months. Thus, the alt lost nearly 61.5% of its value from 5 January and pulled back towards its 7-month low on 24 February. Since then, Algo buyers have made promising recovery efforts in the last week. As a result, the alt was up by 27% from the 68-cent support. Meanwhile, the 23.6% Fibonacci resistance still stood sturdy. At press time, Algo traded at $0.8347. The RSI witnessed an up-channel breakdown in the last few hours. This break should find range support near the 45 to 47 point before a committal move. Looking at the MACD, it becomes evident that the bullish momentum is taking a back seat. The next Ethereum Classic, ETC, after picking itself up from the $21 mark of its January lows, ETC has managed to find a traversing range in the $24-$30 zone for the past 2 weeks. After recently testing its floor platform, stakers are incentivized to find a new block or add a transaction on a blockchain. Apart from incentives, POS blockchain platforms are scalable and have high transaction speeds. How does proof of stake work? The proof of stake (POS) consensus mechanism utilizes validators to verify transactions and maintain consensus in a blockchain network. The network incentivizes users to run validator nodes and stake their coins, which helps secure the network in return for earning interest on their stake. There are some variations as to how POS systems work depending on which protocol, but generally, the algorithm chooses blocks at random and assigns them to a validator node for review. The validator then checks the legitimacy of the transactions. If everything is accurate, the validator adds the block to the ledger and receives the block rewards and transaction fees. However, if a validator adds a block with the wrong data, its staked holdings will be penalized. POS is known for its superior energy efficiency, lower barriers to entry, and better scalability to POW. In fact, the Ethereum POS model also offers stronger support for shard chains, one of the most promising scaling solutions to date. Mining versus staking. The main difference between mining and staking is the underlying blockchain consensus mechanism used to validate transactions. Mining is used for proof of work, POW, most notably in BTC. Meanwhile, staking is mainly used for proof of stake POS, such as in Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum's shift from POW to POS consensus mechanism. What you can stake. In 2022, there is a smorgasbord of staking opportunities both on crypto exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and FTX, as well as directly on specific blockchains' native wallets or dedicated hardware wallets. Here are a few of the best. However, there are many others to consider, such as Phantom, Avalanche, and Solana. As always, at the end of the video, we will introduce you to the latest Algorand, Algo, price forecasts for 2022, 2025, and beyond. Algorand Price Prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Algorand will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $1.26 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.10 with a maximum price of $1.26 for 2022. Algorand Price Forecast 2023. It appears that by 2023, Algorand, Algo prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $1.61. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Algorand's maximum price could be up to $1.86 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Algorai Prediction 2024. The value of Algorand will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2024 is bullish. Algo is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.72 by the end of 2024, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Algorand will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Algo will be between $2.28 and $2.36 expected in 2024 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Algo ranges from $2.28 to $2.72 for 2024. Algorand Price Prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Algorand could cross $3.99 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around $3.53. Algo Price Prediction 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Algorand will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2026, Algo is expected to peak at $5.88. The minimum bet could rise to $5.14 if the market turns bullish. Algo Price Forecast 2027. For a long-term forecast of the Algorand price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Algo will rise to around $7.67 by 2027 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2027, the year may end with a maximum price of $8.93 with a minimum price level $7.41. Algorand Price Prediction 2028. Algorand's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Algo could reach $13.09 by 2028 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $11.36 for 2028, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2028. Algo Price Prediction 2029. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for Algo will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2029 could end with an average bid of $17.17 and a minimum bid of $16.60. The maximum bid is expected to be around $18.75.